In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook using Canva. If you've ever been curious about turning your ideas into a digital book, you're in the right place. Canva is a fantastic tool for this, as it's not only user-friendly but also offers a variety of design templates that can save you a lot of time and effort. Even if you're not a professional designer, by the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to craft a beautifully designed ebook. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open Canva in your web browser if you haven't done so already. If you don't have a Canva account, you'll need to set one up, which is quick and straightforward. Once you're all set, go to the search bar at the top of the page, type in ebook and hit enter. This search will bring up a wide array of ebook templates designed for different genres and styles. The key here is to find something that closely matches the vision you have for your ebook. Take your time browsing through these templates. Canva offers a diverse selection from minimalist designs to more visually complex ones. Once you find a template that you feel best suits your content and aesthetic, it's time to move forward. Click on the template you've chosen. This will bring up an option that says customize this template. Click on that. The template will now open up in the Canva editor. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. This is where you can get creative with the design, tailor it to your brand, or simply infuse it with your personal style. With the template now editable, start by replacing the placeholder text with your own ebook content. Canva allows you to easily edit text by clicking on any text box. You can adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match the theme of your ebook. The editor is straightforward, allowing you to drag and drop elements and see how small changes can have a significant impact. As you continue to design, remember to add visuals that complement your text and enhance the reader's experience. Canva has a library of images, icons, and illustrations, or you can upload your own. Pay attention to consistency and readability throughout your ebook. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts or color schemes until you find one that looks just right. After you're satisfied with how your ebook looks, it's important to preview it. Canva provides a useful preview option so you can see how your ebook will appear to readers. Double check for any errors or adjustments you might need to make. And there you have it. You've successfully created your ebook using Canva. The last step is to download your ebook in your preferred format, typically PDF for compatibility across various devices. Congratulations on bringing your ebook to life. I hope this guide was helpful and I can't wait to see what you create with Canva. Happy designing!